Tee up. Tee up. Get it up. My wig! You're gonna find out I have alopecia. Where's my wand? I'm a magical princess. I didn't know Casper can snatch wigs. Yeah! I'm gonna rule the world. Oh, Princess Betty, I love you. Plus your butt smells like lavender. Oh, what's this? Thank you. What does this say on the green? The Wicked Witch is back? This can't be. Come on, Princess Betty, let's go. Princess Betty, don't be lazy. You are such a lazy person. Oh, Princess Betty, don't you ever do that. I'm tired. Princess Betty, let me sniff one more time. Okay, I think I'm now energized. Your beautiful unicorn fart smells. What's that sound? There's a Shut up. Oh, you're kind of cute, but you should still shut the frick up. But Master, they're coming out to get you. Who's coming up to get me, sir? 'Cause I'm gonna get ready. Why so?
To defeat you.
Why would you want to defeat me? To rule the world?
Yes.
You selfish, evil person. You can't defeat me. Giddy up. Giddy up. Giddy up. Giddy up. Princess Betty Unicorn, I love you. Wait, I said the wrong one. Oh my gosh. Wait, hold on, I did the wrong act. What's that sound? baby there.